Okay, so you're probably wondering how to make your Christmas card. Well, it's quite simple. Just carefully pop out the pieces. So that's the first part. That creates the beginning of your tree, which you can slot together. Let's put that there for a second. And pop out some of the little details. That's a squirrel, and that's a star. There we go. And use your nails if it feels a bit tricky. The main thing is not to rush, and they should all just pop out. There we go. So we've got all of our pieces, and then we can choose where they go. So holding the base of your tree, you can put a squirrel there, for example, and we can put maybe the rabbit or the hare on this side, and the robin. Well, I think the robin's quite high up. Oops. Nearly there. Slide the squirrel on, and the last thing is the star. All done. And obviously you can customise this by colouring it in, particularly nice with children. And when you're finished at the end of Christmas, you can just take all the pieces and get it ready for next year. So there you go, how to make a Christmas tree.